If you want to know how to get OpenArt free credits, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to create a free OpenArt account, how the trial credit system works, and what you need to know before you start generating images. I'll also show you the real limits of the free tier so you don't get surprised halfway through. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to openart.ai. Once the homepage loads, look for the login or sign up button in the top right corner. This is where you'll start your free account setup. The good news is, you do not need a credit card to begin, so this is a quick and easy way to try the platform. When you click login or sign up, you'll see a few sign-in options. For the fastest setup, choose Google or Discord. Both of these are one-click style entries, which means you can get into your account much faster than manually creating a brand new login. Just select the account you want to use, follow the authorization prompt, and complete the sign-in. Once you're in, OpenArt will automatically apply your free trial credits to the account. This is the part most people want to understand clearly. The free plan does not give you unlimited image generation. Instead, OpenArt gives you a one-time trial credit balance, and in most cases that starts at 40 credits. That means you get a limited amount of free usage right when you sign up. Now here's how the credits actually work. Each image you generate uses a portion of those credits. Depending on the model you choose and how complex the generation is, one image may cost around 1 credit, or it may take several credits for more advanced results. So if you're experimenting with different prompts, styles, or high-quality generations, your credits can go down faster than you expect. That's why it's smart to use your free credits carefully. Before you generate anything, think about what you want to create. Use clear prompts, avoid random testing, and make each generation count. If you're trying out OpenArt for the first time, it's a good idea to start with simple prompts first so you can see how quickly the credits are being used. There's also something important you should know about the free tier. Once your 40 trial credits are used up, the free generation access stops. In other words, you can't keep making basic images forever without upgrading. The free credits are a trial, not an unlimited free account. If you want to continue generating after that, you'll need to move to a paid plan. Another big limitation is privacy. Any images you create on the free plan are typically published to the community showcase. So if you're making private projects, client work, or anything you don't want shared publicly, you'll want to keep that in mind. Privacy protection is usually reserved for paid users, so the free version is best for testing, learning, and casual experimenting. So, to recap the process, go to openart.ai, click login or sign up, choose Google or Discord for the quickest setup, and then use your free trial credits wisely. You'll get a limited one-time credit balance, and once it's gone, the free generation feature stops. If your goal is simply to test OpenArt and see what it can do, the free credits are a great way to get started. Just remember that the platform is designed to give you a trial experience, not endless free generation. That's why understanding the credit limit and the public output setting is so important. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.